Hey, let's take a look across the tropics out there today. First in the Atlantic, then we'll look elsewhere because today in the Atlantic, not much going on. Dry air, it just being absolutely hostile for potential development out here. That is going to be the case next 7 days. Really, I don't see much happening. That tropical wave that was coming off of the west coast of Africa, yeah, it's just completely fell apart. I do want to note though, in years past, we've had a very late season allows for the sea surface temperatures to warm up a bit more, just a more available energy out there. So we can't let our guards down. We're less than a month away from the peak of hurricane season, and there always still is that potential of a storm developing out here, but nothing in the near term. That's good news. Eastern Pacific Invest 90 E's, not named, but that is our next closest area to the first coast, worth watching. And if you want a named storm, the only named storm on the planet right now, heading towards the world's largest city, in fact, but it's a weaker end system. This is very weak. 45-mile-per-hour winds, pressures in 1,000 millibars. Out there towards Tokyo is Tropical Storm Meari. Probably going to be some gusty winds. I've actually chased these Izu Peninsula and south of Tokyo. It's what we call the Izu Islands out here, these little islands right there. I've actually chased typhoons there. So they get whipped up pretty big. So something just watching on the other side of the world here today. Anyways, I'm meteorologist Robert Speta.